So let's talk about sequence a little bit. Let's talk about the basics. For example, what's a port?
Yeah, yeah, great question. So when it comes to sequence, obviously we use some engineering heavy terminology, but the way to think about ports is it's just a way to connect your income, your current income, whether you have one income and you're a W-2 employee or working for a single employer, or you have a side hustle, or you have both. A port allows you to take that money, bring it into the sequence world. So instead of it going to your checking account, as it probably currently does, it allows us to bring it into the sequence world so that we can start to send that money based on the rules that we want to create to help you reach your financial goals. So a port is just a fancy word for bringing your money into the sequence world.
Okay, so it's like an income source.
An income source, yes. Every income source that you have, you will want to create a port for. It's a connection point from that income into the sequence world so that we can start to have all the fun and take advantage of all of that sequence has to offer.
Great.